Okay, I'm back. So unfortunately the other slide dried up. Doesn't look great anymore. I don't know what happened. But here is another anemone. So this is a tiny anemone that I took the entirety of. So I'm scrolling the slide a little bit. You can see those little stubs popping up on the left. Those are little tentacles that were retracted because it doesn't like being squished. This is the rest of the body. Hard to tell what's going on there because it's all squished. There's a bunch of symbionts. Those are air bubbles again. Anyway, let's go back to the tentacle here. So I'm going to show you a different color channel of light to see what that looks like. So this is green fluorescence with the red showing through, or sorry, red fluorescence, green excitation. And then now I'm going to show you what happens when you shine blue light and only allow green light to come through. So this is the green light, and the green light comes from the host for the most part. There's some algal pigments that can show through just a little bit, but mostly these spots you're seeing are host tissue. And this is not GFP. It's similar to how it functions in jellyfish, but our anemones do not have GFP, which is green fluorescent protein. You might have heard of it. But they do nonetheless have this green coloration. We don't know why they have it. We hypothesize that maybe the algae are attracted to it. There's some evidence showing that the algae can swim towards green fluorescent pigments, and they seek green light. So this might be a way for the anemones to visually attract the algae. And yes, the algae have eyes, which is... what? Anyway, they have eyes. And then here is... I don't know what this is going to look like. Here's violet excitation. Oh, you can see both in violet. That's awesome. I mean, I've done this before, but I forgot what it was going to look like. So now you can see the host tissue glowing in green, the algae glowing in red. And this filter is allowing green and red light, probably something like a yellow filter. But it's violet excitation. Now we're going to shine UV on it. Let's see, I think it'll look kind of similar. Yeah, a little similar. There's some now blue excitation happening, but it's very dim. But the algae are very excitable, right? They can glow red under a lot of different lights. Okay, I hope that was something. I don't know if you learned something new or understood it. I hope you did. Okay, end this video right here.